children and grandchildren of yesterday's children remind us of the past, when the railroad was the king of the road. Whether waiting at the station to get home for the holidays, our trip through the Cheerwine time machine also shows the repairing of the large steam engine at Spencer's historic roundhouse, and a simple stop at a crossing, coming home from a family picnic. The railroad was always there in our daily lives. So now, be sure to have a great day at your train ride at Dan Nicholas Park.
Through the Central Carolina Bank Tunnel, where the old-time circus train is now unloading, and the Dingling Brothers Circus Troupe begins its daily practice. Remember, you keep your hands inside the coach because the Hurley station is just around the bend. So listen for the conductor to signal when it's safe to unload.